Hi everyone, and welcome to my food channel Aasan Pakwan. Today I'm going to share a recipe that is very close to my heart, Korean kimchi. And let me tell you that this is full with vitamins and nutrients, and you can use it with dishes such as noodles and rice along with gravies. So let's not delay and start. Now let's start cutting our napa cabbage. So I'm going to remove this hard part and then cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces like this. Don't worry about the mess, you can clean it later on. Once you have cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces, then transfer it into a bowl. Right, so now our cabbage is cut into bite-sized pieces and transferred into this plastic bowl. So what I'm going to do is rinse it and then drain it in a large sieve. So the cabbage is all drained, and now what I'm going to do is I will add salt. Now here I'm going to add the salt and toss the cabbage a bit. Add more salt to it and leave it to brine for at least half an hour. So after half an hour, what I've done here is that I have drained the water from the cabbage and all the excess salt has been drained as well. Now we will move towards cutting all the vegetables that are required in kimchi. Once our vegetables are all finely chopped, I will start preparing the kimchi sauce. So I will start by adding onions, finely chopped, and they will get chopped in the food processor as well. Some ginger and garlic cloves, along with apple. So let's just blend everything together and form a smooth paste. So the onion, garlic, ginger along with the apple are all finely chopped in our food processor. So here I have taken 600 milliliters of hot water, and I'm going to add about 3 teaspoons of rice flour and keep on stirring, otherwise it's going to form lumps. So to avoid that, keep stirring the mixture. Once it is all evenly mixed, it will start to get thick and form a smooth paste. So here we have rice flour. So I will remove it from the heat and let it cool for at least 20 minutes. So let's start mixing everything up. First of all, I'm going to take these chopped onions, garlic, ginger and apple. And to this I'm going to add sweet chili paprika. Now this one is going to add close to 4 teaspoons. This is going to give it a sweet taste and it's not going to be too spicy. After this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar, and along with that about 3 teaspoons of fish sauce. So let's just give it a good mix and look at all the colors. Once everything is mixed thoroughly, what I'm going to do now is add our rice flour mixture. Now here I'm going to add the rice flour mixture, and this is going to help ferment our napa cabbage. Right, so let's just give it a good mix here. along with the radish. You can choose the vegetables of your own choice. You can add zucchini, and also you can add spinach, cabbage, whichever vegetable you like. Right, this part is done. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to rub all of the vegetables onto napa cabbage. So take the cabbage in small portions and start adding the kimchi sauce to it. So here I'm going to add spring onions cut in big chunks, as you can see. So after adding the spring onions, what I'm going to do here is I will add some more kimchi sauce. Spread it evenly and add some more cabbage. Right, so all of this is going to help the cabbage to ferment. So whatever sauce is left, just pour it over the cabbage like this. And what is going to happen next is that I'm going to leave it to infuse all the flavors. And ideally, what you should do is leave it for at least 1 day in the fridge. And maybe by next day you can use it in making dishes like noodles, fried rice, and cutlets, vegetable cutlets. So viewers, if you have liked the recipe, like, share and comment, and also let me know what kind of recipes would you like to learn in future.